Hi guys, in today's video I'll be installing this wig here. Is it looking like his cap? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beams with a beautiful face. If you're just stopping by for the first time, and if you're not, guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for supporting me to watch another episode of my video. And today's video I'll be installing my frontal wig, one of the wig I got recently. And this is the wig. It is a 22 inches wig and is a full frontal wig, and it has baby hairs. So I'll be installing it, and also this is my first installation video. I just hope I am going to do well. So firstly I need to do my wig cap, and I'll just I don't know, but just put it on my head. I brush my hair to the back before pushing, and some put it like this. Well, I think this is okay just to make it firm, and I'm going to spray it. I have my hair start from here, so I'm going to spray from here. I'm trying to hold that down and also spray the other side. With this I feel like I'm spraying my hair, but it's fine. So I'm going to allow that to dry and spray again before cutting off the cap. So it's a bit dry, and I'm going to go over again with my spray, but this time I'm going to use my mirror. No, I think it's dry enough, and I'm taking it gently so I won't cut myself. So guys, this is my wig cap. I'm super excited because this is what I want, and I'm getting it, but I want to make it move to the back a bit, so I'm trying to trim some of it. That is why some in the front are not of the same color. They are a bit white than this way that is combed, so I'm trying to trim it to the back. So before I do anything, I have Essex here, this one, so I'm going to make sure I lock my hair in like this and tie it down. So this is the back view, and this is the front view. So I'm going to go ahead to blend in my foundation, and I'll be using a foundation that is a shade darker than my skin tone, because I'm applying the foundation to my forehead, and my forehead is part of my contour area, you get, as makeup. So I'm going to go in with my foundation. So guys, this is how far I go, and is it looking like his cap? I don't know, but I think it's looking like my scalp. I'm happy. I might go ahead to trim some of this to the back. I think it's too forward. I might just go ahead to trim them off. and if not, I might leave it like that. So this is the wig, guys. Try to style it on this, but I think the best styling is when you put it on your head and you style. But I hot comb the front so that I can know the middle. This is a center pattern. I did a center pattern and I straightened the edges too. So I'll put it on my head just to know the measurement. So before, I didn't put this band, so I go ahead to put this band and I'll be putting it on my head. But guys, does my cap look real? I think it looks real. I tried a bit for the first attempt. I tried. Guys, I forgot. I didn't put foundation on my lace because it is not tinted. I have to go ahead to put foundation on my wig before putting it on my head. So for this side, I'll take this to hold it down, and I'll take this to hold this down as well. This time around, I need my mirror, and I think I didn't center this. I actually did a good work. So for now, I'll take my hair wax to wax everything to the back, including the edges. I want everything to be the back. And I didn't check because they said it's pre-plucked. I think this side needs plucking, but I don't think I can do that now. Because when I wanted to get it, it was written pre-plug. So I was like, I won't bother plugging. And I'm not really good at plugging. So I wouldn't want to ruin my lace. Okay, since everything is laid to the back now, I think the best thing is to pack everything like this and just put it. Everything should be at the back instead of being in the side. Or should I use band? So I have everything at the back, and what I'll do now is to just move it to the back. And I have this bond that I got from Shein, and I have my Got to Be glue. So I actually don't know which one to use between the two, but I think I'll go for the Got to Be glue. Yeah. So guys, I'll be using the Got to Be glue, and I'll be using my hand to place it with my mirror. I might not be looking at you guys. So I'll let it dry. I'm so perfect. It's so round. So I have this now, and I'm going to go ahead with the second coat. Oh, my head is so hot, so I use blow dry. This time around it's not going to be as much as the first one, and I'm going to go ahead to apply it on it. I try not to have excess. At this point, I have my picking comb and I'm going to drag the lace and put it, like, try to secure everything. So I'm going to do this side first and I'll be pressing in. Just to secure that. So I'm going to do it for like 1 to 2 minutes. I'm doing only one side. Also come to this side, brush it back, do the same thing but don't drag. Guys, I'm not dragging, so don't drag. We are learning together. So I'll be using this wick band and I'll just put it. Trying to show you guys. Back after 5 minutes. I'm going to remove the hairband. I don't know if it would have glue, but I just spray. Okay, I think it's shrunk a bit, so I'll go ahead with spray. And for this spray, I'm going to use my mirror. I think I need to spray with my hand because I don't want it to be excess. I don't want it to be everywhere rather. Yeah, I'm still correct, excess. Save the lace, guys. I'm super excited. See, I'll cut here and here before I cut this place. To be honest, I'm trying my best to cut this thing, and so this is the excess I cut out from my left hair. I think I did a great job, and I also do this side. I don't know because I'm not a left-handed person, so God. Okay, I think this is the right way. It's too much. Hey, it's too much. I think this one is too much, but it's fine. Okay, it's fine, it's better. So this is it, guys. So I'll go ahead to cut the lace, and now this is it, guys. I have it now, and I'll go ahead to cut my lace into 4 parts so that it's going to be easy for me to it's not easy to cut lace. I should have cut it when I was styling. Okay, okay. So I'll be using my micellar water and my cotton pad. I'm looking for my mirror. I don't know. It's in front of me to clean the excess glue. I'm not letting it reach where I apply bond. Yeah. So I'm going to allow that to dry, and apply foundation to this side and do the edges so that I can start my. So after applying the foundation, I think is better now. So I'm going to bring out my edges and lay my edges, guys. This is what I'll be using to lay my edges. Is I bought it from Shein. Anyways, braid styling conditioner gel. This is what I'll be using, and this is what it looks like. I'll bring this one. I also bring this one. And I have here too. Just bring one out. And Don't know if I don't think I want that side. So bring this one out. This side is mini. So this is what I'll be using for my edges. Some are styled and I will be cutting some. So now that I've secured my edges, I'm going to go ahead to style my hair. I've straightened them before on the mannequin or on the door. I'm not going out now, so I might not do too much styling because I will have to straighten again when I'm going out. So I have this one straighten and this one. They are both straightened before styling, but I just restraighten this one now, and this is I'll do this one now. You can see the difference. They are not that different because I didn't really put more energy on this one. So I'll go ahead to do this. So I've straightened the two and I'll take the two to the back just like this, and I'll show you guys what it looks like from behind. So this is what it looks like from behind, and I'll continue. And this is how it looks like. What lace for the first time. So very excited. So I'll have to do my edges now and style my hair. At this point, I don't even know if my straightener is working, and I'm very sure it's not. My straightener was not that hot, so I could not do too much, but I think this is okay. So I'll go in with my styling gel and just put it at the back of my palm. Guys, like I'm used to putting something at the back of my palm because I'm a makeup artist, and most of the time that is what I do, even though I have a mixing palm beside me. So I'll do this. use that foundation brush, the small one, and just use for center, or better still, I might add a bit of foundation to the brush, blend it out, and just apply and blend to look like my scalp. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it, because I do. And for my first attempt, I really tried. I'm going to give myself like 8/10. And for my first attempt, the only thing I did not really like about it is this edges, and it's fine, I can amend it later on. Well, apart from that, I love the hair, I love the installation. Is easy to install, very easy to install. So that's all. So guys, thank you so much for watching to this moment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Turn on the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. Give me a thumbs up, it really means a lot to me. Share my video to family and friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.